Exacto bullets. DARPA's Extreme Accuracy Task Ordnance Program, Exacto, has developed a smart bullet capable of chasing its enemies. The experimental 50 caliber sniper ammo has incredible self-guided ability to correct its own trajectory mid-flight. Bullets can be fired from over 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers, and will autocorrect for the Earth's rotation, weather, and target movement. Working with a laser sight, an optical sensor at the tip of the round allows for 30 directional adjustment per second. The 4-inch, 10-centimeter long Exacto leaves the gun's barrel without rifling and utilization actuators to control its trajectory. Amazingly, increasing a target's distance actually improves accuracy as the bullet has more time to adjust.
Project Exacto's goal of creating a better bullet is ultimately aimed at saving more American lives on the battlefields of the future.
Thank you for watching this Top 10 information. I hope it was educational for you. And don't forget to subscribe.